Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to get your referral link from ClickUp. Now, this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and give your friends or family members 10% off because you like ClickUp. How do you actually go ahead and get that referral link? Now, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. So in order to do this, what you're first going to do is that you're going to go ahead and log on to ClickUp. Next, on the upper right-hand corner, you want to click on your profile icon, and then you want to click on where it says referrals. Now, once you click on referrals, you could actually share your ClickUp link via Twitter, LinkedIn, or Facebook, but click on copy shareable link. And then this should be the link that you could actually go ahead and send to someone. So if we actually go ahead and type this into our notepad, this is what that link looks like. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and share your referral link on ClickUp. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.